Something big just dropped for COROS users, and honestly, this is one of those updates that actually changes how you train, not just adds random features. So the Spring 2026 update is here, and the main focus is simple: help you run smarter, especially when it comes to pacing, hills, and overall training awareness. Let's start with the standout feature: Pace Strategy. If you've ever gone out too fast on race day and completely burned out halfway through, this is going to hit home. COROS now lets you plan your entire race in advance right inside the app. You can set your target finish time, adjust your splits, and even account for hills along the route. And the best part is, during your run, your watch actually tells you if you're ahead or behind your plan. It even estimates your finish time in real time. So instead of guessing, you're basically running with a strategy the whole way. Now, if you run on hilly routes, this next feature is going to be a game changer: hill alerts. Imagine you're running and suddenly you hit a steep climb you didn't expect. Yeah, that's the worst. With hill alerts, your watch gives you a heads up before the climb even starts. It shows how long the hill is and tracks your progress all the way to the top. It's a small thing, but mentally it makes a huge difference when you know what's coming. Another really useful addition is weekly distance. It sounds simple, but it saves time. Instead of opening your phone or digging through menus, you can just check your watch and instantly see how much distance you've covered for the week across running, cycling, or swimming. If you're someone who tracks mileage goals, this makes life a lot easier. Then there's hybrid fitness mode, which is perfect if your workouts aren't just straight running. Let's say you're doing a mix of running and strength training. Normally, you'd have to switch modes manually, which is annoying and can mess up your data. Now, the watch automatically detects what you're doing and adjusts in real time, so your workout stays smooth and your data stays clean. They've also added passcodes for better security. If you take your watch off, it locks automatically and needs a PIN to unlock. It's a small feature, but it's nice to know your data is protected. And for anyone who struggles to read notifications while moving, there's now a large font option, so messages are easier to see during workouts. On top of all this, there are a bunch of smaller improvements too: better multisport tracking, more flexible nutrition alerts, race predictor trends, improved sleep mode, and even updates for climbing and swimming. It's one of those updates where everything just feels more polished. One thing to keep in mind though, not every device gets every feature. Newer models like Pace 4, Apex 4, and Pace Pro get the full experience, while older ones get a limited version. And if you don't see the update yet, don't worry. It's rolling out gradually, so it should show up in your app store very soon. Overall, this update isn't just about adding features, it's about making your runs more controlled, more predictable, and honestly, more enjoyable. And that's exactly what most runners are looking for.